this thing on? Yeah. Alright. Today it's triplets with yop. All the tutorial videos I ever watch, they do proper flamenco triplets and they show you this movement to go. And the thumb, the finger, and you go. But that's not what their hand does. It has when they're doing it at speed. And I don't think it makes that transition easier. This is the triplets that I learned when I was a child watching Laura Weber on PBS. There are probably not many people out there that have been Laura Webered, but I'm one of them. She taught this as the rumba strum. But we're going to do it this way. When you do the strum, you're going to use your thumb and a finger. I normally use my middle finger because I think the geometry works better. So, for this first step, put that thumb down, put the thumb up, put that finger down where it can hit the strings, and just play on the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. You've all done that. Step 2. Get your hand up here, strumming. Get your thumb up here out of the way. Drop your thumb. Now it's level with the finger. And when you strum across the strings, they both hit. So the next exercise is simply one strum on the beat. 1, 2, 3. Play with that for a little bit. It'll take a while to get it, kind of even and feeling good. You could use that to kind of double your strums. But that's a different lesson. Alright, you're 2/3 of the way there. Step 3. Play on the up. Use your finger, use your thumb. I use my finger. So go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Congratulations, you're playing triplets. Now, while you're playing a song, if you strum with that finger, you see my thumb's up here out of the way. When I want a triplet, I just drop my thumb. So it fits anywhere. That's triplets the way I play them. As a side note, if you want to do the 16th note version, I use usually my index and my pinky and my thumb. Same deal. You come down at your pinky, your finger, and your thumb. Hit the strings, and then you do your upstroke. I think they call that a fan stroke. I don't know. That's it. 3 easy steps. Finger, ching, 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 ching. Finger and thumb, da-ding, 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 da-ding. Finger, thumb, and upstroke. Diggity, 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 dee. Go play triplets.